I recently picked up a new Glock G43. It's a single stack 9mm that came out earlier this year. And I haven't shot it much yet. I've only got about one box through it. I am going to get a couple more 100 rounds through it before I do anything to it. However, I plan on doing a trigger job and probably changing the sights out. I've got some True Glow TFXs I'm going to put on, and I'm going to put a ghost connector on it. What else I'm going to do, I'm not sure of at this point in time. I think I'll wait until I see how much the trigger pull improves with just putting the ghost connector in it. As you can see, the gun is clear, nothing in it. Magazine is out. Before I do anything to the gun, I'm going to check the trigger pull with the gun being bone stock. I'm going to do 3 trigger pulls and average them out and see where we're at. The first pull is 6 pounds and 3 ounces. The second pull is 5 pounds 11 ounces. And the third pull is 7 pounds 1.5 ounces. And we'll average them out here. And the average is 6 pounds 5 ounces. I'm, like I said before, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do to this gun. I'm going to start off with changing the sights to True Glow TFXs, and I'm going to put in a ghost connector. We'll see where we're at that point. After that, I'll check the trigger again with the trigger pull gauge, and I may take it back apart and do a 25-cent trigger job, which I'm sure everybody knows about already. Depending on where that goes, I may end up doing some other things to the gun. I've only shot the gun once so far. I like it. I really like it. I have carried it for a couple days, and it's one of the most comfortable guns I've ever had to carry. I don't even know I have it on. I generally have been using a Galco holster, which is nice and small, inside the waistband, and tuckable. Like I say, it just carries super well. I don't even know I have it on,